everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another whole house cleaning, all day clean with me video, so I hope that you guys enjoy and that this video can give you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration to clean up your house. I also am going to be doing a DIY project later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. You just have to click that red subscribe button down below and the bell beside of it, and then you will get notified every time that I upload a new video. I'm starting off the cleaning today in the living room, picking up the boys' toys, and usually I make them pick up their own toys, but while I was picking up the toys here out in the living room, they were both back in their bedroom cleaning that up, and so I just decided to help them out. Since their bedroom was a mess, they were going to be cleaning that up, I would clean up the toys out here. Today I am doing my second giveaway in honor of reaching 60,000 subscribers. In my video a few days ago, we did the first giveaway, which was a $25 Starbucks gift card. I already selected the winner this morning for that, so now we are doing the second giveaway. This giveaway today is a $25 MasterCard gift card, and to enter to win this gift card, all you have to do, first be sure that you're subscribed to my channel with the notification bell turned on, and then give this video a thumbs up, and then just leave me a comment down below. Your comment will be your entry into the giveaway. I will randomly choose a winner from the comments in 48 hours. I've made these giveaways only for 48 hours just so that we can do them quickly every couple of days, and so keep checking your YouTube notifications just in case you are the winner. I had gone shopping the day before and hadn't had a chance to put away all the stuff that I bought in the bags and stuff, and so that was kind of sitting there by the door. I had went shopping mainly to get the boys some new clothes. We're going on a trip here in a few weeks, and especially Kyle desperately needed like a whole new wardrobe of clothes. I had already put some of the clothes over the back of this couch, so I just went ahead and folded them, sorted them out to the different rooms that they go to, and I found Owen this adorable bug shirt at the one store. I got it for only $3 and the normal price was like $15, so it was a really good deal. He's obsessed with dinosaurs and bugs right now. That's why I'm wearing a dinosaur shirt for this video. I wear this shirt sometimes just for the boys' sake, especially Owen. He gets so excited when I'm wearing my dinosaur shirt. I also got the boys these matching outfits to wear on the plane ride, and yeah, I got those for a really good deal as well. They're super comfy and soft and great quality. So now I've got both of the living room areas cleaned up, and at this point in the video I'm going to insert the DIY project that I did. But before we get started with that DIY project, I wanted to share with you guys the sponsor of today's video, which is Vineyard Valley. So Vineyard Valley is a mobile game where you can renovate and restore your very own vineyard resort. And I don't normally play mobile games, but I found this game really fun. It's definitely one that I'm keeping on my phone, and I've continued to play it, and it's just really fun because it's home design and renovation. I get to pick out countertops and cabinets and all that kind of stuff, so it's super fun. And you also get to match and blast cubes to get stars, which is also really fun. I enjoy these types of games as well, so it's like my two favorite kind of games in one. So definitely go and give this game a try. You can download it today for free. Use my link jamcity.me/happyhome, which is also down in the description box to start playing. Okay, so now I'm going to share the DIY project that I did, and that DIY project is going to be a Lego table for my boys. So I was going to make it using this IKEA lac table that I have, and these are really cheap from IKEA. And then I bought these Brickyard building squares off of Amazon. These are not Lego brand, but people say that they work perfect with Legos, and they do. So I got my husband to help me get the wood glue off of the top of this table because I used to have some boards wood glued to the top of this table. So first off, he tried the sander, but that wasn't taking it off very well. So he ended up just taking like a flat razor blade, and it scraped all of that wood glue right off. So after he had all of that scraped off, I measured how big the squares were going to be on top of the table, and there was going to be a little bit of the table sticking out on the edge of the squares. So I just took some black paint and this little roller and just painted the very edge of the table that was going to be showing. I painted that black, and this little roller is just awesome to have for quick little paint jobs like this. The next step was to hot glue these squares onto the top of the table. And here is the finished table. It was a super easy and quick project to do. It's definitely not perfect, as you can see, but the boys love it. They love to sit on the stools and build on top of this table. The next thing that I need to do is to figure out a storage system underneath of this table for their Legos. I've seen some people attach like a plastic drawer underneath to put them all in. You can let me know all of your ideas down below. I hope that you enjoy getting to see that little DIY project, and if you want me to do more DIY projects, maybe inserted in like cleaning videos or something in the future, then give this video a thumbs up. Now I'm cleaning in the kitchen, and as you can see, I had a really big coffee spill over there by my coffee maker that I had to clean up. So I just sprayed my multi-surface cleaner onto there and onto the high chair, and then wiped down the table and the high chair and the coffee area. I'm also going to be taking apart this high chair and packing it away today because Owen just doesn't really use it anymore. He likes to sit back on the bench with Kyle and eat. The skirt that I'm wearing today was sent to me by Snoga Athletics. I will put a link for it down below and their website. The skirt is so comfy and is just perfect for cleaning, running errands, working out, biking, just whatever. It's just a great all-around skirt. It does have built-in leggings underneath. I love it when I can find a nice comfy skirt like this. So we are cleaning here in the kitchen, and we're at the point in the kitchen where I'm washing the dishes. This is usually one of the last things that I do in the kitchen. I wash the dishes that I can't put in the dishwasher, and then I will clean off the countertops and the sink, and then we are done cleaning the kitchen. I just finished cleaning up the kitchen, and before I get started with my laundry, I'm going to take a tiny little break to play a bit more on my Vineyard Valleys game. So far in the game, I've gotten this whole kitchen renovated, and it's been really fun to renovate this kitchen because it's my dream someday to have a fixer-upper house that I can do these types of renovations to. In this game, players get to renovate and design this Tangled Vines resort. The design choices are aspirational and inspired by real interior designers, which is so awesome. You get to bring your home designs to life as you transform the rundown vineyard to a vibrant resort. You get to customize the kitchen, dining room, entrance, guest rooms, garden, and more. So be sure that you click my link down below, jamcity.me/happyhome. You can start playing Vineyard Valley today for free. And thank you again to Vineyard Valley for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so now we are going to get started on the laundry. Okay, so now we are cleaning in the hall bathroom, and I haven't talked for a while in this video. I just figured I would just let the music play for a while. I feel like that I've been doing a lot of talking in my cleaning videos lately, so I just wanted to have a little bit of extra music in this video and a little bit less of me talking. But you can let me know down below, do you prefer it when I do a lot of talking throughout a cleaning video? Do you prefer just like a nice balance between talking and music, just about sort of an even balance? Or do you like for cleaning videos to be mostly music? Let me know your opinions down below. I try to do a variety of those on my channel. I don't really do any with just mainly cleaning music because I feel like you guys prefer me to talk at least every once in a while, but you can let me know down below what your opinions are. So now we are going to be vacuuming the whole living room areas and all of the wood floors, and then when we are done with that, we are going to be mopping the floors. After I was done with the mopping, I was finally finished with my cleaning for the day. I still had to fold a load of laundry later in the day that was in the dryer, but for the most part, I was done with the cleaning, thankfully. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it gave you cleaning motivation and inspiration, then give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Giving my videos a thumbs up and leaving a comment down below just really helps out my videos so much. So thank you to those of you who always do that. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Just click the red subscribe button down below, click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications, and then you will get notified every time that I upload a new video. You can also follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram name is @HannahsHappyHome, and here I am just giving you a look at how clean the house looks. I wish that the house could stay this spotless clean all the time, but we all know that in a few hours it's going to be a mess again. That's just life, especially when you have kids. So I hope that you all enjoyed this whole house cleaning, all day clean with me video, and I will see you in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!